What if the backpack you're carrying right now is holding you back? For the last 6 months, I've tested 37 different bags. From crowded subways to remote mountain trails, I've put them through hell. And after all that research, I can tell you this, only 5 are worth your money. Today, I'm revealing the winners. We're counting down from a solid daily driver to the one backpack that completely redefined what I thought was possible. Number 1 will blow your mind. Let's get into it. Starting at number 1. The North Face Recon. Best daily use backpack. The North Face Recon is ideal for travelers, commuters, students, or just anyone seeking a versatile, organized backpack for everyday carry. Its 30-liter capacity fits a 16-inch laptop, with smart pockets for office, airport, or library organization. Designed for longer torsos and all-day comfort, outdoor enthusiasts will appreciate features like reflective loops, a sternum whistle, and a water hose port for adventures. Our testers raved about its padded back and straps, which provide lasting comfort, and its ability to stand upright on the ground, with one reviewer noting, "It stands up anywhere, super handy." The pack's clever organization and larger size make it ideal for bringing everything for both work and play, for the day or the weekend. This feature-rich backpack is a great value for commuting or travel, with excellent ergonomics and organization. It's a third of the price of many premium laptop packs in our review. However, cyclists take note, the unpadded center panel can be uncomfortable on the spine when bent forward on a bicycle. We also noticed that the roomy third pocket can crowd the main compartment if overfilled, and the water bottle pockets are stiff and hard to access without adjusting the bag. Its versatility and size make it less nimble than sleeker packs, and it's harder to slide under a plain seat when fully loaded. Number 2. Timbuktu Authority Deluxe. Best laptop pack. The Timbuktu Authority Deluxe is ideal for office workers and commuters who prioritize laptop protection. It's designed for those carrying tech daily, with a dedicated padded rear pocket for a 17-inch, or smaller, laptop and an additional padded sleeve in the main compartment. Its sleek design and premium build make it a great fit for professionals who value both style and function, especially those with lighter loads of flat items like folders and notebooks. We appreciated the thoughtful organization system and its comfort more than anything else. The cushioned back and straps provide excellent support, even when fully loaded, and promote airflow to keep you cool. Testers rave about its reliability, with one noting, "It's my go-to, keeps my laptop safe and my back happy." The water-resistant exterior and waterproof bottom add durability, protecting your gear from wet surfaces. It's a premium choice for laptop safety and everyday practicality. This may be the ultimate daily pack, but it is quite expensive and has limited space. It is not ideal for weekend trips, because its shallow depth limits space for bulkier items like clothing, and the exterior pocket only fits slim water bottles. It's sleek and small and works well as a personal item on a plane, just note that the water bottle pocket is quite slim. Number 3. Incase Icon. Best premium laptop and tech carrier. The Incase Icon is ideal for tech-savvy professionals, students, or travelers who need a backpack to protect and organize multiple devices. With a 17-liter capacity, it features a laptop pocket, an embedded sleeve for a second laptop, and a separate tablet pocket, making it perfect for those carrying extensive tech gear. Its wide array of auxiliary pockets ensures work essentials stay neatly arranged, excelling at keeping gadgets organized during commutes, work, or travel. The Icon earns top marks for its exceptional organization and protection, offering 3 separate compartments to keep large items orderly. The dedicated laptop pocket, second laptop sleeve, and tablet pocket provide robust device security, while numerous auxiliary pockets accommodate other necessities. Its thoughtful, tech-focused design makes it a standout for anyone needing a reliable, organized way to carry multiple gadgets without sacrificing accessibility or safety. The Icon's specialized, compartmentalized design is perfect for tech-heavy users, but its multiple compartments and pockets may not suit those who prefer a single main storage area. At 17 liters, it's versatile for gadgets and essentials, though highly tech-focused. If you need a backpack tailored for multiple devices and don't mind the structured layout, the Icon is a great investment. Otherwise, simpler or photography-specific options may be worth considering. Number 4. Cotopaxi Allpa 35L. Best carry-on travel pack. If you frequently find yourself taking quick trips and don't want to break out the heavy luggage, the Allpa is an amazing travel companion. We love this bag for long weekend trips by car, plane, or train, and if you're a savvy packer, you can get away with longer trips with this bag. If you frequently travel with a laptop, this will accommodate one of up to 15 inches in a dedicated padded compartment. The clamshell design opens all the way up to reveal mesh compartments that zip closed, allowing you to skip the packing cubes and still stay organized during your trip. It's comfortable to carry, with a removable padded hip belt, and features a water bottle pocket on the side that can hold a 32-ounce Nalgene. There are also small pockets for keeping little travel accessories organized. And, though it's not listed as fully waterproof, we found it did great in our spray tests. If you like the idea of quickly darting through an airport with everything you need perched comfortably on your back, no baggage claim required, the Allpa is your bag. If you're more of a roller bag traveler, check out our favorite wheeled carry-ons. Number 5. Osprey Talon 22. Best Hiking Day Pack. The Osprey Talon 22 is perfect for day hikers, commuters, or outdoor enthusiasts seeking a lightweight, versatile day pack. Weighing just 1.7 pounds, it excels on fast, light trips with a feature-packed design, including a hydration sleeve, ice axe loop, pole holders, helmet system, and light attachment. Its robust suspension and padded hip belt ensure comfort, making it ideal for trails or daily use. It's perfect for any trail, keeps me cool and steady, says one reviewer. Women testers particularly love the Osprey Tempest 20 for its tailored fit. The Talon earns its lightweight favorite title in our day pack review for its agile, comfortable design. The AirScape back panel boosts airflow to reduce sweat, while the flexible frame and padded hip belt provide stability and support. At 1.7 pounds, it handles weight well, with features like a hydration sleeve and pole holders enhancing trail functionality. It's my pick for quick hikes, super agile, a tester noted, highlighting its seamless movement and durability for day hiking or commuting. And that is the one backpack I can't live without in 2025. If you're ready to upgrade your carry, every single backpack we featured, from the Budget King to the Undisputed Champion, is linked in the description below. Go find your perfect match. If this guide saved you hours of research, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. Share this with a friend who needs a new bag. And subscribe for more no BS gear reviews, because next week we're breaking down the most overhyped travel gadget of the year. Don't miss it.